It's been less than 10 months since the first examples of the Bugatti Chiron started rolling out of the factory in Molsheim. In that time, Bugatti has produced 70 examples for eagerly awaiting customers. That's an average of. Carry the 2, divide by the square root of pi. 7 per month. And the waiting list is even longer. So unless your build slot is coming up soon, chances are you'd have to wait a long time to have one delivered from the factory. So what's a prospective buyer to do if he, or she, is late to the game, and wants one right now? Buy one second-hand, that's what. The trouble is that, with so few made, they don't come available all that often. But there's one about to hit the auction block, right here in America, no less. The Chiron you see here, decked out in black and blue with just 249 delivery miles on the clock, isn't being handled by RM Sotheby's, Gooding, Bonhams, or Art Curial, auction houses that are typically entrusted with handling such high-value automobiles. This one's being offered by Meckham Auctions, which tends to specialize more in classic American muscle.
Yeah.